Alright, I'm back again today, YouTube. Coming at you again with a different style video. As y'all can probably tell by the title of the video already, I'm going to be doing some welding repair. I got this trailer ramp out here that got it a couple weeks ago from the guy I work with in the square barrel hayfield, haul hay with. It's on his hay trailer. That ramp broke a while back. Actually, about back in December is when it broke. And he brought it to me a couple weeks ago and said, can you fix it? And I said, sure. And he said, no hurry about getting it done. Don't have a need for it right now. I'm not going to be using the trailer anytime soon. And he said, just whenever you can get to it's fine. And so, finally, I have reached the point where I can get to it now. And so, went and got a new bottle of oxygen in my torch yesterday. So I'm good to go. Used the torch to cut me out some gussets. I had some 1/4 inch thick metal, some 1/4 inch thick 4-inch angle iron is what I had. Cut out some gussets for it and made the supports for it and everything. And so now I'm about to come out here and use the grinder and grind off the metal, make it clean, get the rust and dirt off of it, and it's gonna look like a brand new ramp when I get done with it. It'll be better than it was new. So I'll turn you around here and let you see what I got going on. So here's the ramp. It as you can see, it broke off right there. Just the welds just cracked and everything and came off, and so there's the other piece supposed to go on it, and I'll show you right here. See, that's the piece that's supposed to go on it, the support piece, and here are the gussets I cut for it. Cut them out of 1/4 inch thick metal, and so I'm going to put them on the back side right there, set them up like that way give me something solid to weld to. And so I think on this time I'm going to use the Lincoln electric welder over here instead of using the Miller. Just have some fun playing around with both of them. So I'm going to go ahead and grind this, get it back nice and clean, use the big grinder, get it clean, ready to go, and then I will video the welding. So stay tuned for the welding. Alright, here we go. It's time for the welding. So here's what I'm doing, pretty much. I'll show you right here. As you can see, there's where I got that. Oh, come on, focus now. Let's see. Oh, focus. There we go. So that's what I'm doing right there, just running straight welds. See, and I'm going to put one more across that on the outside to cover that up. And then probably run that one more time, just to be safe. Then did that one right there too. It was not as pretty, or not as good as I wanted it to be, but then again I couldn't really brace myself very good. See, and I got the inside done right there. Now repeat process on this side. And then I'm also going to run one going up right there. And so I got the Lincoln stick welder running. But come on. There we go. Set to 90 amps. 90 amps, and I'm running the classic 6011 rod, 1/8 diameter, and so that's pretty much what's going on. And I'm gonna finish welding this other side right here, and go ahead and end the video on this. And so, if you like this video, you can comment, rate, and subscribe for more. And I will see y'all in the next video. And also don't forget, follow my Instagram, and the link will be in the description below. So I'll see y'all next time, guys.